The number group contains options for formatting numbers in different ways. Click the down arrow in the number format box to see the various available formats. Let's select a column of data and apply the currency format. A currency symbol appears in front of the data. You can change the symbol by clicking the down arrow near the accounting number format icon and making a selection. Click % style to format the data as a percentage. Click comma style to format the data with a comma as the thousands separator. You can increase the number of decimals displayed by clicking increase decimal and decrease them by clicking decrease decimal. Now, select the column containing the dates. Click the down arrow in the number format box. Here, you can see the formats short date and long date. Let's apply the long date format. There are various other formats that can be applied. Click the dialog box launcher, the small arrow at the bottom right of the number group. This displays the Format Cells window. Here, you can see that there are a lot more date formats that can be applied. Go ahead and explore the different formats.